We've got a new affiliate update. Now we have automated affiliate payouts. This feature enables businesses to effortlessly process payouts to their affiliates, streamlining the process and saving valuable time in managing affiliate programs right within the system. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is a streamlined process. Now you can automatically process affiliate payouts, saving time and effort for both your administrators within your business and your affiliates. This is also going to enhance your control. You can now easily approve, deny, or even manually handle payouts, maintaining control over financial transactions. You're going to love the detailed tracking. Now you can access comprehensive payout records and detailed transaction history, ensuring transparency and accountability. As far as practical use goes, just imagine that you are offering a digital product, or to be honest, it doesn't even have to be a digital product. You're utilizing affiliates or referral partners, and you're sharing in that revenue with them. This new feature is going to allow you to efficiently compensate affiliates for promoting products. This is going to free up time to focus on your business growth and development, thus maximizing those profits. First, I'm going to have you access payouts. To do this, you're going to go to the Marketing tab in the left-hand navigation. You're going to make sure that you are under the Affiliate Manager tab, and then you're going to go and select Payout. Now, in order to choose the affiliate to pay, you need to click on the link for Approved for Payout, and then you're going to choose those affiliates. What's great about this is you can actually pay multiple affiliates. So after you've ticked those boxes, you can simply click Pay. You can also pay individually. So click on the Pay icon next to the affiliate's name. You can specifically select the payout, and you just click Pay Now. What's great about this is now you can access all of those successful payments. It's going to be under the Paid tab, and you're going to see all of your successful affiliate payouts. Now, if you want to access those payout details, just go ahead and click on the three-dot a kebab, and you can go and click on Affiliate Payment Details. What's great is you're also going to see that all of those successfully posted payouts are there for you to see. This is what the email that is going to be received by the affiliate looks like. It's going to have all of their information, you're going to update them, and you're going to keep them apprised of everything that they have been paid out because they've earned it through their affiliate fees. If you get an error message, here's something I want you to consider. You realistically just don't have PayPal linked at this point, or they don't have PayPal linked. So you need to go ahead and link the PayPal account and then enable. Don't forget that you need to add those accounts for your affiliates. With this new feature, the system empowers businesses to efficiently manage affiliate commissions, simplifying financial transactions and enhancing affiliate program effectiveness. We really hope you love and enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.